Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on your Facebook application. So for this, just open up the Facebook application in your mobile and then go over to the menu section. Scroll a little bit down and expand this settings and privacy section and then open the settings page. The next step is to open the account center section, which should be at the very top of the settings page. That is where our two-factor authentication option is going to be. Earlier it was in the settings section of Facebook, but now they have moved it in the account center section. So you can do that by tapping on this password and security option. That's right under the account settings option. Tap on this and you can see the second option, two-factor authentication. So tap on this to open. Maybe they will prompt you to enter your Facebook password in order to confirm that it's you trying to change the settings. So just do that. Select the Facebook or Instagram account on which you want to disable the two-factor authentication. Now you have to select the text message option, or you can select the method which you had set up for the authentication. I have the text message verification code, so I will open that section and simply turn it off or disable it. They will notify us that if we disable this, our account will no longer have an extra layer of security. So if you are sure you want to disable this, just click on the turn off option and that's pretty much it. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.